This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Google Docs in 30 minutes. Today, I'm going to give you my top 3 tips for Google Contacts. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So many people know about Google Contacts through Gmail. If you click on the right side of the page, there's a little icon that says Contacts, and you can see all the contacts you have. You can also visit the main console by clicking on the Apps button up here, and then finding the Contacts link, and your contacts will open up. And this, for me, is basically a database of all my business contacts and many of my personal contacts, too. I have several Gmail accounts. This is one of them. And basically, one of the first tips that I have, the first top tips I have, if you're just getting started with Google Contacts, is to build up your list. The easy way to do it is actually to make sure that your phones are set up to sync contacts. When you create a new contact on your phone, it syncs to this Google Contacts. That's pretty automatic for Android. For iOS, you'll need to go into your settings and change your default account to Gmail if that's shown there. But the other way to do it is to basically upload a spreadsheet, and this is how it works. You go to the import icon right here. You'll be prompted to select a file, CSV or vCard. So usually it's a CSV file, and people get these they have like a spreadsheet that they got from someplace with a whole bunch of names and email addresses. It should follow the template format that they have. You basically export the spreadsheet to a CSV file to your hard drive. Then you select the file by browsing your hard drive. You select it, and then you go open, and then you import it. So it just imported those 3 contacts. And one thing you'll probably need to do, especially if you're importing a lot of contacts, you're getting them from different sources, you'll need to merge and fix them. That's my second tip. And if you have a lot of contacts to merge, what you can do is just press the Merge All button, and it will merge them together. However, I would suggest that you actually be careful about this, because sometimes I've seen Google Contacts, it will merge contacts that shouldn't be merged. Typically what it is, it's a contact with just an email address, and there's no name or anything like that, and 2 people from the same company, they might be merged into the same contact. So just be aware of that. But if you're pretty sure that things have a name on them and it won't do that, just press Merge All, and it will just merge all of the contacts you have. And finally, the last kind of tip that I have for using Google Contacts, this is like a power tip, is to use the notes field to add information you can refer to later. And let me show you what I mean. If you have a big list of contacts, frequently you can't remember who's who or what they do, but you may know kind of something about them that can kind of basically turn up the right contact. And let me give you an example. Like, let's say that I have a problem with my sink and I need to fix it, but I don't remember the name of the plumber. All I do right here is I type in plumber and hit return, and you can see that Friedman and Sons boiler repair pops up. And if I click on it, you can see that in the notes field, I added all these notes, including a 1-star review on Yelp a long time ago that turned out to be a malicious review. Stickers on the boiler, plumber, plumbing, heater, heating, and heater. So I put those keywords in there by basically clicking edit and then adding the text. I could also get rid of that. I could say something, I could add a new one if I wanted, like heat pump. And this means later on when I'm searching for heat pump in my contacts, even if I have thousands of contacts, this entry and any other entry that has heat pump in there will turn up. So this is basically like a database. It's like an extension of my memory, and I use this feature every day. I hope that this feature helped, and please take a moment to like it or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description, including for my book. Thank you so much for watching.